Well, hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. I thought I would real quick, well, real quick, who are we kidding? I would show you guys my goodies from Polish Pickup from July, since this weekend is going to be open season for Polish Pickup again. I'm going to try to avoid it this time because I was a little bad last month. I think I ordered 8, but I have 9 here because I believe this one was from the month before and they had trouble getting it, and they put it in with my next order. And this is Penelope Luz. This one's called Rose Garden. Oh my. I'm in love with all of these. I'm like, I don't even know which ones to start with. Then I've got Native War Paints, and this is Sun and Moon. You guys know I had to have it. And then this one, camera's freaking out, but it's so much prettier in real life. Polished for Days, Long Live the King. And then we've got Painted Polish, Luna. Oh my, look at that flash. And then Danny Viana, and this is Basilisk Scales. I think this is my first one from this brand. Yep. And then this one, I can't remember the name of I can't remember the name of the company. Anyway, the one with the skull on it. And I know everybody's screaming at me the name. This one's called Protection Spell. Crazy gorgeous. And then I had to get a Supernatural Lacquer. All of a Sudden. Isn't that wild? That's crazy looking to me. Very, very unique. The first one from that company, and then a Cuticle, y'all. Had to have this. Parade. If y'all watched Shannon from Ozunails, y'all have seen probably most of these. And then Moonshine Manny, the Department of Mysteries 2.0. So I had been avoiding Polish Pickup. I'm going to go ahead and get these bottles ready, and we're going to swatch them. I've been kind of avoiding Polish Pickup and, really behaving. Maybe only buying 1 or 2, here and there. Because I'd been saving up for that, the Indie Expo and everything. But, and then I thought, well, you're being good, go ahead and behave, keep behaving. And, but, so I missed out on a lot of polishes, and I kept watching Shannon over on her channel, opening up her packages, and I'm like, ooh, I wish I'd have got that. Ooh, I wish I'd have got that. And, so next thing you know, I'm deep in. I think when before I went to polish, I had like 4 things picked out on my wish list. And then I went and watched Shannon's channel, and that 4 turned into 8. Don't you know? And this month I've looked at Polish Pickup, and I'm trying to behave again. But the problem is I just trade one evil for another, and I went from looking at Polish Pickup to looking at, what is it? Hella Handmade. Yeah. So, got a heck of a wish list over there, so at least I got a week or whatever to think about it, or a little week and a half or something to work it out in my brain to see what I can manage. So I'm going to dial this in a little tighter so y'all can get a better look at these swatches. Alrighty, this first one is the Rose Garden from Penelope Luz. And this one was just so unusual with that funky green and then these big hunks of the like metallic red glitters, red rose. Oh, I could not say no to that, y'all. Next we have the Native War Paints, Sun and Moon. Oh, that's just so pretty. Oh, love, love that. Now this one, I thought I'd already worn it, but I don't think I have. Look, oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, Shannon's worn it. I've seen it on real nails. Oh, and y'all can't even, oh, hold on. Oh, I don't think y'all are going to be able to just see how, maybe there you go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then Painted Polish, Luna. And that was Long Live the King. Here we go with Luna. Oh, wow. And this one's got a shimmer in it. I'm not spotting it right here, right now, right on this practice wheel, but after it builds up, we'll have to give it a gander. And then Vienna, I'm sorry, Basilisk Scales. I had to look at that one. The other ones I've already got memorized in my head. Oh, now I know a lot of y'all don't like colors like this, but to me this just sings, and it's because it's so unusual. Oh, pretty! And then next, I think this is Necessary Evil and Unnecessary Evil. I don't remember. I will put it on the screen. I feel bad that I didn't do my homework for hopping in here. But these have been sitting here for a few days, and it's killing me. So I had to swatch them. I'm really liking this. And I think this one would be great for patriotic manicures. Stamping white over it. Oh my goodness. Jelly. And then Supernatural Lacquer. And that was All of a Sudden. All of a Sudden. And y'all can see I was in a green mood, obviously. A ugly green funky mood, I guess. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Because I got 3, well, 2 of them I got this month. The other one came, because it was late. And here's that Cuticle, which I think this will be another one that will be great for patriotic manicures. That's just my opinion. I mean, it's a little hot pinky red, but I still think it would look really pretty. And then the Department of Mysteries by Moonshine Manny 2.0. Look, I've got a wonky brush, y'all. I'm not digging that. But we'll have to see what we can do. Oh, goodness. Oh, that flaky goodness. Y'all, I'm still in love with flakies. I can't let go of it. That's so pretty. Alright, let's spin them around. I hope I didn't make you dizzy. We're going to go back and do another coat of each one of them. So, let me know if you're looking at the polish pickup and if you've got a wish list started already. Because, like I said, I don't know. I'm trying to, I don't know. You guys know I'm getting really bad about if it's not unique or if it doesn't pertain to Friends, That 70s Show, Harry Potter, stuff like that. If it doesn't, like the name, I'll be the first to admit that I do purchase polishes for the name a lot of times. But I am, oh my gosh, that's just crazy pretty. A lot of times I'm drawn in by those, those themes and, oh my gosh, look at that second coat. Oh goodness. And you guys aren't even getting to see the flaky goodness that's craziness here. Oh my. That glows. I mean, not just from within, but oh my gosh, it's glowing. It's okay, it's got me. And then we're going to do another coat of Painted Polish Luna. Oh yeah. Those purple and blue flakies in there are just so pretty. Oh, like little specks of something else. I don't know what that is. Oh, and then Vienna Basilisk Scales. Oh, that deepens up. Oh yeah, I can see that with some nail art on there. So pretty. Very nice. Alright. Here we go with the one I don't know. Oh my. I think I might have got some of that green on here. Oops. That rocks. Oh my. I'm so in love with that. I'm so excited to have that in my collection. And then here we go with the Supernatural, and this is All of a Sudden. I'm going to do another coat of it. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's so mine's. And then Parade by Cuticle. Oh, I'm so pleased with my purchases. So happy. Alrighty. And then the last one, The Department of Mysteries by Moonshine Manny. With its wonky brush. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I can't paint my nails with that. Something's going to have to give. I'm going to have to... Oh, goodness. But you know, a lot of times when polishes have so much going on in the polish, it's thick and it does that to the brushes. So I'm going to put some top coat on these and roll through some swatch photos real quick. I'm probably going to add one more coat to this one here, and I'll have swatch photos at the end. So leave me a comment down below, and if there's something particular you want to see me do a manicure with soon, leave me a comment down below and let me know which one it is, and I will do my best to, you know, hurry up and get to that. I've got a lot of new stuff, so I'm working my way through everything, but you know, having y'all's suggestions kind of pushes me into, you know, putting that to the front of the class and taking care of it first. So leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you all for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.